After embracing the controversial "it's not a bug, it's a feature" approach to address early criticisms regarding the perceived quality of the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra screens, the latest anti-reflective Corning Gorilla Armor stands out for its exceptional performance. It significantly diminishes screen glare, enabling the vibrant AMOLED display to shine even more brightly, particularly in direct sunlight. Reviewers and users alike have praised its remarkable visual impact. Samsung is rumored to have been developing a software update aimed at enhancing the vividness of these displays based on user feedback. This update marks the first revision of the software for the 3 flagship handsets since their launch and has been officially announced by Samsung ahead of its over-the-air rollout in February. With the month already underway, it's safe to assume the update will be available imminently. A key addition confirmed by Samsung is the introduction of a Vividness slider in the Advanced Settings menu, allowing users to customize their viewing experience. While Samsung initially defended the natural display experience, the new slider provides options for those seeking a more vibrant screen. The update also promises improvements to camera performance. However, details regarding the extent of these upgrades remain somewhat vague. While there's no mention of security enhancements or fixes for specific bugs in this update, Samsung's focus seems to be on addressing display and camera concerns. Battery life and general performance optimizations may not be immediate priorities, given the recent launch of the S24 series. It's important to consider that these phones were unveiled less than a month ago and recently shipped to early adopters worldwide. Despite some display issues reported by a few users, overall sales of the S24 series have been strong, indicating a generally positive reception. As the update rolls out, it's hoped that the Vividness debate will be settled and users will be more satisfied with their latest smartphone purchase. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.